most of people have never meet you physical, but I have chance that I sit together, we eat together, and we laugh together. So one question which I want to ask you: you always emphasize ethical and honesty is the key of success in forever, and you always tell that don't trap people to buy CCs or buy businesses. So is it because now the thing is we are in a country where people are very much hunger of and the greed of money, so they trap people. So do you have any short message to those who are doing shortcuts and trapping people?
That's a very good question. So I want to go direct to the point, and I'd like you all to listen closely. Coming from the wisdom who has done the business for 30 years consistently on top. 30 years. It's not an overnight success. It is consistent success for 30 years. So listen up closely. Like what Lonnie said, there's no shortcut to forever. It is not how fast you achieve your position. Like, for example, people will come to you and say, I became Sapphire manager in less than 1 year. Wow. I became Soaring manager in just 6 months. For me, that's a lot of, pardon the word, B. No, we don't buy that at Diamond, because it is like, establish, you're putting up a structure, a building. You have to strengthen your foundation of learning, following what your mentors are doing, not buying CCs except for one business box or the combo pack for you to get started, and doing it ethically and professionally. We have seen for over 30 years that people come and go. It is not about your position. It's not about your pins. It is about how consistent you are in doing the business. If you are doing it ethically and professionally, and you can sleep at night that you have not fooled anyone. No shortcut. Invest only in a business in a box if you want to grow your business. Otherwise, if you want to be a user, you can just choose to buy the products that you want to start with. No, but just invest in a business box. Learn from your mentor, and you should feel privileged being with one of the best mentors that we have developed in forever, and that's none other than our master Zijan. No? Follow what he's doing, because he's doing it ethically and professionally. There was also ups and downs, but he never gave up, just like Diamond Lonnie. So believe me when I say no shortcut. Stop following people who will tell you to invest all your hard-earned money to buy a lot of CCs. That is not the way we do business. And that is a way of making people run away from the business that we have, looking at it as a scam. And it is sad to note that in some countries that I may not be able to mention to you, they are doing it to hype people, showing cars, big checks. That is even, they just make up checks and saying that they became this level of position in short period of time. That is not the gauge of success in forever. The gauge of success is how you can teach people down, be duplicable or duplicatable, and how you're able to maintain your position with the income that you deserve consistently for 30 years, like the Diamond. That's how it is, plain and simple.
रोशन हो हर सोच खुद पर यकीन हो, कल आए जो आज से भी हंसी